Hi, so this is section 3 of the WordPress, and in this section I will be covering the Pressive theme options which are there, and I will be just talking to you through some top options which are available in the Pressive theme, right? So let's jump on that. So the first option which I will show you is when you click on when you have uploaded your Thrive theme, at the bottom of it you will be seeing a dashboard, Thrive dashboard. Just click on the Thrive dashboard, will pop up on this screen, and there are a couple of options over here. Just go into Pressive theme option first of all, right? So this is how you can customize your theme according to you. And so what could be done over here if you want to make changes over here at the top, how your logo should be coming up, how your menu should be coming up, and how your page should be coming up, right? All these same things you can change it over here. So just explore this option as much as you could, and keep saving the changes over here, and see and keep refreshing it and see the changes what have been done on your page line. So I'll cover some of the option logo type, so image or text, whatever type you want to do it, you can upload the logo over here and this logo will start displaying over here, right? And logo position, side of the menu, top of the menu, or you want to have it at the side, left side, or you want to have it at the top. So again, these are the options that you can do. Couple of options of worth trying. So all these things you can do. Then there are style and settings over here, how your blog should be looking up, how your page should look like. Blog settings again, same things. You can just go inside and explore as much as you could. Analytics and scripts, if you want to put any header script or any other body script, you can put it over it. So I put a Google remarketing tag over here. So there's something again, you can put it over here and see performance. A couple of options. So 404, if there is a 404, what should be coming up over this page has been deleted, and please visit our website, this and that. So 404 page related error. So there are a couple of options in this Thrive theme option. So just go and explore this thing. I mean, you will find it really beautiful. I'll take you back to the Thrive dashboard and I'll talk to you about Thrive Architect now. Thrive Architect. Yes, here. So Thrive Architect, it is basically required to when you are creating some beautiful landing pages or static pages for your website. Let's take an example. Let's go to the pages section, and let's try to edit this home page of mine, which I created through Thrive Architect, and it has been super simple, easy, and just drag and drop sort of option. So if I go to the front page, that is the home page, and if I open this page backend, I'll show you how it is easy to like actually edit this page very easily. And you can just drag and drop certain things like these images which I have put, and then again you can link these things with your YouTube links or whatever links you got, right? So this might take some time, but it's really good. I mean, I'm recording this video, that's why it is a little slow. Otherwise, it's fast and simple and easy. So I'll just give you an overview of that, and then perhaps we can again jump on our Thrive dashboard after that, right? So I'll click on this so that it gets open, and in the meantime it will get open, right? So it's open now, and if you see, we are able to, like, this section is something that we will not be able to edit because this is the menu section, you remember in the last video. But all other these options, these could be edited, and it's very easy to edit them. So here at the right hand side you can see the options, right? And a couple of options over here, so you can add in and just drag and drop, and all these options you can add. So whatever beautification you want to do on your website, you can do it from this Thrive Architect. I mean, very simple plugin and very useful as well to add, right? So we are again back to the Thrive dashboard, and there's a third option that I just want to discuss with you. And there are other options like API connections, general settings, which I will discuss later on when I will be covering the email marketing part. But for now, let's go and jump on Thrive Leads. Now, these Thrive Leads is something which I will be covering in email marketing section as well. But I'll give you a little overview of that in this section, because what I have added over here, if you see, if you go to any of my blog page, towards the right hand side, I have sorry, towards the right hand side, I have added a plugin which is this, right? And this is required for capturing the lead, and similar is might be somewhere at the bottom as well. I've added one more if it pops up. Okay, right. So this is again, this is lead generation. What I'm talking about is Thrive leads, right? So this is how I have created these things, and I'll show you one thing. I'll show you this newsletter one, right? And this, if you just go into edit section of it, right, and newsletter subscription latest, right, if you want to add a new form you can do it from here. If I'll show you how to edit a design, existing design, then you can see it over here. See, it will pop up again. It is super simple to add and link, but the linking thing I will tell you how to do it in when I will be discussing the email marketing, because all the leads which you collect using this type of forms on your website, right, this type of forms, these flow into your email marketing software. From there it creates a list of it, and then perhaps you can mail them. So the newsletters of yours or whatever offerings that you're giving to them free of cost, you can do that. So in a way, like this section, so this is all LTPL again, right? And if you go into this and so this is something that I have connected with a MailChimp email marketing software, right? So in the email section, I will show you how to connect this with your email marketing software so that this email is connected via API connection to your email marketing software, right? So this front end of yours, this is the front end, right? And this is connected with your email marketing software so that you are able to make a list of the people who are subscribed to your channel or to subscribe to your newsletter, right? So this is again super simple, easy, and the only thing that need to be kept in mind is the API connection between your email marketing software and your front end, this one. So yeah, so I think these are the options which are there on the Thrive theme mostly, and mostly these are only used. If you want to explore more options, there are a couple of other options which you can do with Thrive plugin. But again, it's up to you. As and when you become well versed with your WordPress, and just keep exploring these things, because you'll get some new things, and which will be really good for your website and will help you to make your website better. So I think that's it on this section, and in next section I will be covering I think the email part. Yeah. In the next session, I will be covering the email. Go to our playlist. I will be stacking all the videos into the email marketing playlist. So to check there, and keep learning, and do not settle, and do good in your life. Thank you.